we get a little video of Mike baling some. He's got the M6800 and a 485 new idea baler. It's a soft core baler, just a kind of a newer version of the 483, except it makes a 4-foot tall bale and a 5-foot wide. And my 483 does a 4-foot bale. And most 4x5 balers bale them 4-foot wide and 5-foot tall. Change the gear. Right there's one of the bales. I hear his beeper going off. He'll probably tie one off here in a second. One thing I like about those balers is you can kind of see over top of them on these tractors. One like mine, you can't, that Massey Ferguson, you can't see over it at all. Tying one off now. This field here used to be an apple orchard when I was a kid. Apple trees all in this. And they took them out. They started dying off and things. Pretty good little sidling hill right through here. When I was young, early teens, maybe even before that, I can't remember, I'd beg him to let me help him in the hay, and he usually would. I used to use that 270 Massey. He had some, and I'd rake for him and things. I had old gas Ford 3000 I used to rake some with and everything, and he gave me a lot of opportunities and taught me a lot of things that I wouldn't have known otherwise. Anybody needs a good mentor when you're a young teen to be around, and he sure was that for me and still is. Picking up Barry's golf balls. Take him up here and lay him on his porch. Dump it up here where it's safe.